Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video guys we are going to speak about very important thing that happening right now in the last hours. This is really emergency news happening, crazy things right now with OKEx, the second cryptocurrency exchange. In the moment they are suspending withdrawals. We are going to speak about, I think, about Sam Bankman-Fried, that actually we are going to hear more and more stories about this guy, about the things that he is going to tell us. And of course, we're going to speak about the Federal Reserve and about the interest rate, that no one is going to increase the interest rates. And of course, we are going to make a technical analysis to Bitcoin and to Ethereum. I'm going to tell you the next support and resistance levels. This is not a financial advice. This is just what I think. And the reason why I decided to make this blog about this YouTube channel is because a lot of people are asking me to make YouTube channel, because I'm already trading, I'm already investing in cryptocurrency since 2016, and a lot of people are watching this video just to educate themselves. This is very important to understand that everyone must educate himself, and all the decision about investments, you are the only one who is making these decisions. So let's start with this very important video, with this emergency video. The price for the Bitcoin is 60,700 US dollars for one Bitcoin. The price for Ethereum is 1,180 US dollars on one Ethereum. Nothing is happening. There is no changes for Bitcoin, Ethereum, for all the altcoins. Nothing is changing in the last 24 hours. But actually, there are crazy news that coming from Sam Bankman-Fried. There's crazy news that coming about OKEx. By the way, guys, OKEx right now is suspending withdrawals for few hours. I got funds there on OKEx, and actually I'm a little bit afraid about all these things that happening, about all this crazy suspend of withdrawals that never happen, guys. And this is sound for me a little bit weird, because sometimes people are trying to withdraw funds from Binance. There are stable coins, there are BUSD, the USDT, and of course the USDC. And then Binance are telling us that there are few problems with banks. Guys, this has never happened before, and this is very important to understand that something weird is happening right now in all the cryptocurrency market. There are more cryptocurrencies exchanges. They are suspending withdrawals at the moment. We are going to speak about these exchanges, guys. Very important. If your exchange still didn't suspend the withdrawals, then immediately, guys, withdraw your money, withdraw your crypto to your cold storage, Ledger, Trezors, guys. There are links in the comments below. This is very important for your own safe. It doesn't matter if you have 500 US dollars or 5 million US dollars. You must have your cold wallet, because it's cost just few hundreds of US dollars, but actually then your crypto, guys, is safe. Right now the same things that happened with FTX is happening with OKEx. This is very weird, guys, and I am really afraid, because if something bad is going to happen right now to cryptocurrencies, to one of the cryptocurrencies exchanges, this is going to affect really bad about the crypto prices. This is going to affect about the Bitcoin, about the Ethereum prices, and actually the next domino collapse might happen in the near future. In my last video that I made about 4 days ago, we spoke about the Sam Bankman-Fried. I think that this guy have very bad news to tell us about USDT, about Bitfinex, about more cryptocurrencies exchange like Binance as well. And this is one of the reasons why right now he is arrested in the Bahamas. And this is one of the reasons why I think that someone is paid or made some manipulation in order to arrest him, in order to avoid him to speak in front of the Congress in the United States of America. Who don't know, actually I spoke about that in my last video. Sam Bankman-Fried should speak few days ago in front of the Congress. Of course, they want to ask him few questions about what's happening right now in the cryptocurrency field with cryptocurrencies exchanges. But I think from my point of view, someone is actually stopped this process. Someone is actually pause this process, and I think that in the next few weeks, in the next few months, we are going to hear news from Sam Bankman-Fried. Actually, I think that this is the next negative news that are going to happen. This is the another negative news that's going to happen in the next weeks, maybe in the next months. Very important to follow this information, guys. This is why I'm telling you, just click on the like, just click on the subscribe button, to follow all this very, very important news, because when something is going to happen, immediately I am going to publish video. And actually, my question is, and the question all over the cryptocurrency exchange, maybe Binance will be the next bankrupt. No one knows, but all the things that happening right now with all over the cryptocurrencies exchange are a little bit weird, and everything can happen. Just think about it, that the second cryptocurrencies exchange, FTX, bankrupt in less than 24 hours. Something very suspicious are happening right now with all the cryptocurrencies exchanges, even with Binance, even with OKEx, that actually right now at the moment they are suspending the withdrawals for a few hours. Something happening right now, guys. Be safe. Buy your cold wallet. Don't trade in this very volatile guy, in these very volatile days. Again, this is just my point of view. This is not a financial advice. Guys, be careful. And another cryptocurrencies exchange right now, they are telling that 280 a million of euros right now locked, guys. And this is might be the next bankrupt, because if money is locked, they can't pay to the customers. If they can't pay to the customers, to the funds, maybe the next bankrupt, the next domino phase are going to happen, the next bankruptcy can happen. And this is actually very, very weird, because all this news is happening in the last day, in the last hours. Another cryptocurrencies exchange have problem, and again another cryptocurrency exchange, L Bank, actually, they are just down the website for 6 hours. This is very, very weird, guys. If you have funds in L Bank, withdraw immediately in the moment that they are going to turn online their website. I wish they will online the website again, guys. Be careful. The news are really, really negative. Something is happening. I think that we are going to know what's happening in the next days, maybe in the next weeks. Again, something is very, very bad is happening. This is emergency video. Send this video to your friends, to your family that investing in cryptocurrencies. Send to your friends that right now holding the funds in all these cryptocurrencies exchange, because something, guys, is happening. Be careful. Important to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Twitter, to our Telegram. This is very, very important, because if something is going to happen, immediately we are going to publish emergency video. Very, very important, guys. I by myself, I have few thousand of US dollars on OKEx. Actually, I'm a little bit afraid to lose these few thousand of US dollars. I have them there because I'm paying to, because I have business with cryptocurrencies. I must have few liquid thousands of US dollars on few exchanges. This is the only reason why I have funds on cryptocurrency exchanges. If you are just holding your cryptocurrency exchanges, even on the biggest Binance or on the second in the moment OKEx, withdraw immediately. Because if withdrawal halted on cryptocurrencies exchanges, this is a very, very bad sign. I know that all these cryptocurrencies exchanges always have a reason. Right now, OKEx are telling that all these withdrawal issues are happening because there is a problem with Alibaba Cloud. Guys, this is very, very bad sign that in these days, in these weeks, these suspends of withdrawal are happening. Again, be careful. I don't want to repeat again, because something I think in the near future is going to happen. Another reason to have this fear right now is, of course, the MACD is become bearish. When the MACD is becoming bearish, look at this crazy dump that happened in the last time that we saw it. This is the last time that Bitcoin made this huge dump, guys. Be careful. Right now, a lot of community members are asking me about the next support and resistance of Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you have more cryptocurrencies that you want me to make a technical analysis, just write me, guys, in the comments below. And of course, in my next video, I am going to show the next support and the next resistance level. From what I see, actually, the next support level is the 14,000 of US dollars. If the Bitcoin, if something bearish is going to happen right now, my next target is 40,000 of US dollars. Just imagine what could happen if the Bitcoin will drop by 20 percentages, 50 percentages. It means that Ethereum will fall by 20, 30 percentages, and even the altcoins might fall by actually another 50 percentages of the prices they are looking right now. Cryptocurrencies like ADA that were zero point 0.3 US dollars just few days ago might be even 0.50 US dollars for one ADA Cardano. Be careful with trading. There is a crazy volatility right now. I think that the very, very big negative news are coming in the next few days, maybe even in the next few hours. Be careful. The next support level, the next resistance level for Ethereum, for Bitcoin is about 18,500, 20,000 for Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I don't see that in the near future Bitcoin is going to touch these levels because everything that's happening right now with the Federal Reserve, with the hike of the interest rate. I don't think that they are going to stop that in the near future, but I think that in 2023 they are going to decrease these interest rates because people and companies are going to be bankrupt. This is just my point of view. Again, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, because if something is going to happen, someone is going to be bankrupt immediately I'm going to publish very emergency video. So look at what's happening with the Ethereum. The next support level is 850 US dollars for one Ethereum. Unfortunately, the next support level for Ethereum, if we are going to break this 850, is just about 600 US dollars for Ethereum. We already touched this level for a few times. The next resistance level for Ethereum is 1,400. We might see a short squeeze in the near future. Unfortunately, I don't see any news, even any positive news that might give us this short squeeze. Guys, be careful, trade careful, be careful with all these cryptocurrencies exchanges, even with Binance, even with OKX. Look what's happening with even with Binance volume in the last 24 hours. It fell by 56 percentages. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Click on the like button, subscribe button. Of course, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. See you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.